Many of you with the Diamond 2K car stereo have been asking, how do you change its themes? Well, in this video, we're putting it to the test with a few different launchers to give your car stereo a fresh new look. Be innovative and stay with SetNFix. If you want to install any app, first you'll need to register with the Google Play Store. You can sign up or sign in using your email address. And if you're not familiar with the process, just follow the steps shown in this video. Now that you've completed the process, search for Agama Launcher in the Play Store. Once you find it, go ahead and install it. The download and installation may take a little time, so just be patient while it sets up on your car stereo. Agama Car Launcher is a sleek and customizable Android app tailored for use in car dashboard units, head units, and even smartphones or tablets in vehicles. It offers a clean, elegant interface designed to streamline multimedia control while driving. With Agama, essential features are literally at your fingertips, thanks to a minimalist design and up to 24 customizable buttons for quick access to your favorite apps. Its suite of useful widgets includes a GPS-based speedometer, a music player that integrates with popular apps, a navigator for route guidance, a compass, and real-time system info, Wi-Fi, GPS, mobile data, Bluetooth, USB, battery. You also get local weather updates with a 5-day forecast, automatic screen brightness, and even a voice assistant to keep your hands free. The app provides a 30-day free trial, after which you can purchase the full version for continued use. There's another very popular car head unit launcher called CarWebGuru Launcher. Let's install it and see how it performs with the Diamond 2K car stereo unit. CarWebGuru Car Launcher is designed as your reliable companion during trips and drives. Built for Android-powered car radio units, but also fully compatible with smartphones and tablets. It offers a customizable, full-screen interface featuring stylish, large speedometers and support for system widgets. A built-in music player, complete with visualization and search functionality, lets you control audio easily, while the app also supports popular formats like MP3, OGG, FLAC, and M4A. Add personalization by selecting your vehicle's logo or setting a unique background image. The launcher tracks and displays geographic routes and includes real-time speed and acceleration graphs. Version 3 enhances convenience with features such as import-export of desktops, an icon generator, split-screen orientation support, vertical screen layouts, and several fresh themes. Popular customization options include long-pressing buttons to assign actions or launch the system player. For certain head unit models, like 8227L, external music players work better after disabling the internal CWG player to improve performance. So we've tested both the Agama Car Launcher and the CarWebGuru Launcher on the Diamond 2K car stereo. Each has its own style and strengths. Agama offers a sleek, modern interface with smooth navigation, while CarWebGuru brings more customization and theme variety for those who like a personal touch. The right choice really depends on your taste and how you want your car stereo to look and feel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear which launcher you prefer. And of course, subscribe to stay updated with more car stereo tips, tricks, and performance tests. Until next time, be innovative and stay with SetNFix.